This is a 1947 Ford straight truck. Flathead V8 engine, 4-speed with 65 horsepower. Old Dominion bought this truck brand new in the 1940s. It used to have an oil tank on the back because back then the company used engine oil to oil the yard to keep the dust down. The truck used to be black, but they eventually painted it green. David Congdon refurbished it and gave it to his father Earl to celebrate Earl's 50th year with OD. It's been restored 4 times since then, and it is used for company events, parades, and parties. This is a replica of the 1950 white Mustang truck. It was used in the 1950s by Earl Congdon between Richmond and Norfolk, Virginia. It's a 6-cylinder gas engine, 5-speed with 80 horsepower. The trailer was an original OD trailer that was purchased brand new in 1951. It's a 33-foot trailmobile trailer. It was retired and put into a junkyard, but it was recovered and restored with new sheet metal and new wooden floors in 2008.